mas di kandidato ng pa-eleksyong 2020 aqui na San Martin. Keto ba nos na urna di mas grande esta Belvedere. Ano si outro candidato aqui ng Riba Elista de USP, Mr. Curtis Thomas, candidato number 12. Mr. Thomas, good morning. Happy election. I see you brought some young ones here, the future of St. Martin also for support. Good morning. Happy election day to you.
Good morning, Rick. Good morning to you on the TV. Good morning to you, radio listeners. My name is Curtis Thomas, number 12 United St. Martin Party. A man with a change for a brighter tomorrow. And this year I'm championing sustainable living for all citizens of this country. Too much time we are being plagued with high costs of living. We are being plagued with exploitation of food, exploitation of utility bills, exploitation of rent. All of these things that's subject to us ultimately as soon we get our salary in our hands every month. And I'm saying here, if you give me a chance, I would curb the cost of living. I will give you a chance to have more money in your pocket at the end of the month and have a decent living.
Now, Mr. Thomas, you're echoing a story of every man here in St. Martin. No?
Right.
What is some of the feedback that you received during this election process, during this campaign? Because you're echoing, it could be our neighbor, our brother, it could be one of these young ones' parents, their auntie, their grandma. Give us a feel of that.
Well, basically, this is not an echo, this is the reality. Because everybody, including myself, face this. Every month we work and we get hanged up by high cost of living. You go to the supermarkets, you ask yourself, what can I afford this month? I just got paid $100, $200, $300 spent in food, and by the time that is finished in 2 weeks. You go and pay utility bills, you're not home. You're working most of the day, but when you come back at the end of the day, you watch a little TV, go in your bed, your lights are all turned off, but yet you're faced with a heavy utility bill, a heavy electricity bill. And that's why I'm saying I'm championing the change for these matters. I want to change these ills that is plaguing our people every single month, daily. And one of the things I'm saying here, we will put affordable food, agriculture, affordable utility bills, green energy, labor, healthcare reform. All of this plagues us when we go to the doctor, and most people sometimes still don't have a proper SZV card. They don't have proper medical insurance. We go to the hospitals. We have to ask ourselves, can we afford certain things? And this is what things I'm championing, that everybody have a sustainable living, not one set of people, but a whole. Because this is St. Martin. If you're going up in Parliament, you're working for the people. You're not working for one particular set of people. And that's why I'm championing a sustainable living for everybody. And the most important point to the radio listeners and TV viewers is the St. Martin National Development Bank. We here need to own our land. We here need to have a house. You're standing in a housing complex that some people are renting from the government, some people have their homes. But majority of us on St. Martin don't own our homes because we can't afford the conditions or the stipulations laid by the retail banks.
And that was an issue also after Hurricane to get your repairs done, because when they ask where the deed, who's the owner, you're not the owner.
You're not the owner. And that's what I'm saying. This bank will give us a chance to own our land. This will give us a chance to own a mortgage, that we can go out and buy a house. We can go out and invest in a piece of land, that the deed is ours. We don't need government lease land. We need our people to own their land. And that's why I'm saying with this bank, this is most passionate to me, we as St. Martin people, you TV viewers, you all know that you work every day hard. What is the purpose of you working hard if you can't achieve anything? And I would like us to achieve this, because this is a great feat when you own your land, when you own a home. You know that you're swinging the key, you're in the door, and that door belongs to you. It doesn't belong to a landlord, it belongs to you, these people. And that's why I'm championing this year. Give me a chance. Put me to office, and I will guarantee I will give you the tools to better your life. I'm not going to promise you false hope. I'm giving you the tools. You want to go out and get a house, I'm going to bring the bank.
Thank you, Mr. Thomas, and good luck during this election. And I know you'll do a good job, because the buzzwords that you're mentioning are very important to every person here on St. Martin, and all the best to you. And thank you for taking the time out. And thank you, kids. All the best. Pues sa televidente, essa é uma conversação com nós temos com o Sr. Curtis Thomas, candidato número 12, arriba é USP, essa é que siyang e blau-verde, anto ita de persona ko di su passionang to banco aqui na St. Martin ko po ayuda persona por llega na hipotek anto tambe desarrollo sostenible palo que trata e ciudadano ng di St. Martin. Nos timas persona kinang taong familiar face. Good morning. Mr. Myers, good morning. Come on in. Hello. Hello. Oh, he's the candidate. Okay, let me talk to Mr. Otley right away. Thank you for taking the time off. Good, nice to meet you. This is for Dutch Caribbean TV, Aruba, Bonaire, Curaçao, Best Islands, and also in the Netherlands. Candidate number 3 on the Up Party. Tell us, how did this campaign go? Is this your first time in election, and what are you most passionate about with regards to campaigning and politics here in St. Martin?
Well, good day, listeners. I am your number 3 candidate, Omar E.C. Otley. This is my first time doing this. A lot of people don't think because of the vigorous campaign that we put on. Only we can save we is my slogan, because I believe in order for St. Martin to get back on its feet and get back on the track, we need the right people. The most influential investment that we have is the students that we send away. I am one of them that came back, returned, and want to make a difference in my island. So I believe that only we can save we, and we will make the difference. I want to attack a lot of the social issues. I want St. Martin to be back the way it was. I want the justice system to be amended, and that we can have, the most important thing is a government for 4 years. Yes. We need to make amendment to Article 59, and that stops the games and the misuse of that article.
Now, you mentioned that you're a student. You went away and you came back to put your shoulders, prop up, big up to St. Martin. Now, one of the issues that many students have, not only here in St. Martin, but I think all of the, let me just say, ex-Antillean islands, is when they get back, it's hard to start up, because you have to deal with your student loans, etc., and being able to get a chance to really make that difference. How did you experience that?
Well, look, it was this overqualified word, St. Martin, and I guess it's the rest of the islands. They like to use this, but what happens is, and I like to be real, we keep people in positions for too long. If you have somebody in the position for 40, that's 50-something, he's there for 30 years. Here's this young person that comes with a master's degree, and he's 25. You don't want to give that person a chance, because eventually you have to move on. And if you look, I have 2 different type of posters. One of my posters is pass the baton, and people don't realize that it's time to pass the baton. So what we do, we tell you that we are overqualified because we have the fear of you taking our position.
And I'm sure you're going to do your best to make a change.
Oh yes, definitely. I'm a taller guy, I have big shoulders. They can try whatever they want, but I stand for the people and I will not budge.
Mr. Otley, all the best, and good luck in your first time, and hopefully this will be a tremendous experience for you. All the best. Pues televidente, mapisabu, kita urna di mas grande, tapos nos taman hangout aqui nang tiki mas, koi outro urna pasota hopi da candidato ng kulo tapasando aqui na urna na Belvedere. No inyong kaminda, nos di mas pabo directo for the St. Martin Election Day 2020.